Here is our dinosaur trivia quiz. What was the first dinosaur to be formally named? Was it Brachiosaurus, Iguanodon, or Triceratops? The correct answer is Iguanodon. What period did dinosaurs first appear? Was it the Cretaceous period, Jurassic, or the Triassic? The correct answer is Triassic. What term is used to describe fossilized dinosaur feces? Is it coprolite, gastrolith, or petrified wood? The correct answer is coprolite. Where has the largest concentration of dinosaur eggs been found? Is it Asia, South America, or Europe? The correct answer is South America. What adaptation helped some dinosaurs regulate their body temperature? Was it feathers, scales, or hollow bones? The correct answer is feathers. What type of rock often preserves dinosaur footprints? Is it shale, limestone, or sandstone? The correct answer is sandstone. What was the largest known dinosaur? Was it Megalosaurus, Diplodocus, or Argentiosaurus? The correct answer is Argentiosaurus. What is the name of the supercontinent where many dinosaur fossils have been found? Is it Pangaea, Rodinia, or Laurasia? The correct answer is Pangaea. What dinosaur is famous for being the largest carnivorous dinosaur ever discovered? Is it Allosaurus, Spinosaurus, or Giganotosaurus? The correct answer is Spinosaurus. What is the study of fossilized dinosaur footprints called? Is it ichnology, osteology, or paleobiology? The correct answer is ichnology. Thanks for watching, and leave us a dinosaur emoji.